cool.
They doing it? Or,
Yeah. I'm video.
Okay, we might want to back away.
You don't know which way it's going to go? Oh.
Oh.
Look at that. That's pretty badass, dude. You need to get some wheels on it or something.
Yeah. Come this way, look out! Yeah, my rudder's slow.
How much did you spend in parts on it?
Yeah.
A few hundred? That is pretty
My
badass.
next thing is to get a camper with it too. So
Yeah.
I can take some
How much lift you think?
That's what I'm only going about quarter throttle. Just like those tiny props. I don't want the big ones on.
Yeah, big props.
Oh yeah.
Go put those bad boys on. Let's see this shit, man. Don't get all excited. It's like a bad high school date or something. That thing is badass.
Oh God.
See, I gotta fix the rudder right now. It's
You gotta put some wheels or something on it so you don't.
yeah. So I'm popping it up here.
You don't even need training wheels when it's the tricopter.
Well, that's the cool part is how it just stays level like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the gyro on there.
How many?
Is there just one gyro?
There's 3 gyros. 2 channels.
On each of the